Hello friends, so as we have seen in the last video, we have created this grid view, but one thing we forgot to do is we have written everything in one class only, which is not a very good practice. So in this short video we learn how we can refactor everything. So let's get started. So first we'll start from this extension array which we have created. So basically this function was going to add extra functionality to our array type. So for that we'll create one new group. We'll write extensions, so all type of extensions you can add inside this group, and inside this I will create a new class or new file, and I will name it as array extensions. So this is practice people follow where they add plus to mention that this is adding extra features to this array. So we'll create that and we'll just paste that code here. So by this we have just removed our small bunch of code from the main content view. Now let's move this part also, where we have created an animal struct. It's a model, so we need to create a new group where we will add all our models, and inside this let's create this new file, and I will name it as animal. Let's paste it here and make sure you write here SwiftUI. Okay, then we also have this. So okay, so this is what we can do, and we can also move this part also. This is basically a cell for our grid view, so we can just cut this much part, or we can just take this much part, cut this, and you can create a new group called views, and inside that you can create new file. It will be mainly like let's create a SwiftUI file only and name it as grid cell. It will make more sense. So yeah, and we'll paste it here. Okay, but again since see, it is giving us error because we are not returning it anything. So what we can do is come to content view, paste it here back, and take everything from the list you have written. So take this, wait, let me check till where it is. Yeah, so let's take this part. 1 minute. Yeah, from here. So cut this. You can write here grid cell, and inside grid cell you can paste your code. Okay, but then you will get errors like you don't have this grouped animals here, so you need to create that. So let me just copy the name, group animals equal to animals, but it will be of type 2-dimensional array. Okay, let's see if we are still getting this error, and let me just do it like this and come to the content view. Now since here also it is, so it will not run because our this also expecting an array. So for now we can ignore this because it is just responsible for showing the view in our preview. Come here, go to content view, and you need to pass and grouped animal array here. Okay, so which we have here. Okay, now let's try to resume it and see if it is working. Yes, it's working. So this is how you can separate your code. Also what you can do is can move your content view again inside views, and you can move all these inside one new group called resources. Okay, and move them there, and you can move your info plist outside the main folder. So this is how you can refactor your code. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.